podcast, 5 Niji 6 mistakes, killing image quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Banana Thumbnail Podcast, where we bring thumbnails to life to crush the competition. Today we've got something really cool lined up. Absolutely. We're diving into the world of image generation and talking about the 5 big mistakes people make that can totally ruin image quality. That's right. If you're using tools like Midjourney's Niji 6, DALL-E, or Stable, Diffusion, it's crucial to know what pitfalls to avoid. I can't wait to hear about this. I mean, I've seen some really awesome AI-generated art, but also some, not so awesome stuff. Exactly. So let's start with the biggest player in the anime art scene right now, Midjourney, and its Niji 6 model. Did you know it holds about 37% of the anime AI generation market? Wow. That's a massive chunk. What makes Niji 6 stand out compared to the others? Well, the Niji models specifically drive 65% of Midjourney's anime traffic. But here's the kicker. Many users are making some basic mistakes that lead to frustratingly poor image quality. Got it. What's the first mistake we should cover? The first big mistake is ignoring seed parameters. When you generate an image without specifying a seed, the AI starts from scratch each time, which can lead to wildly inconsistent results. So if you create a character and then try to change its pose, it might end up looking completely different, right? Alex, exactly. A recent survey found that 73.4% of AI art users reported inconsistent character generation as their top frustration. But if you lock in a seed number, you can boost your consistency rates to about 87%. That's huge. Wow, so it's really just a matter of using that seed correctly? Right. Just take the seed number from your best generation and apply it to your next prompt. It's like a cheat code for consistency. That's super helpful. What's the next mistake? The second mistake is writing overloaded prompts. A lot of newcomers think that more words mean better results, but that's often not the case. Really? So typing out a whole paragraph isn't the best approach? Nope. In fact, prompts longer than 150 words can yield up to a 39% artifact rate, meaning almost 4 out of 10 images could end up looking glitchy. Keeping it simple is key. Interesting. It's like giving clear instructions to an apprentice mechanic. If you overload them, they'll mess it up. Alex, exactly. Stick to about 20 to 30 specific words and make sure your important details come first in the prompt. Midjourney weighs those early words heavily. It sounds like being concise really pays off. What's the next pitfall? The third mistake is getting aspect ratios and stylized settings wrong. A lot of new users don't even know what aspect ratios are. Yeah, I'd be confused too. Why is that important? Well, if you don't specify an aspect ratio, it defaults to a square, which is often not what you need for social media or thumbnails. Plus, the stylized setting controls how artistic the AI gets, and recent updates have improved those ranges. Oh, wow! So what should we aim for with the stylized setting? A range between 400 and 800 is ideal for reducing artifact rates, and you can save these settings as your defaults to save time later. That makes a lot of sense. And what's the next mistake users should avoid? The fourth mistake is skipping negative prompts. This is crucial for clean anatomy, especially with hands. Those can be a total nightmare. I've definitely seen some AI-generated characters with like 6 fingers. It's hilarious, but also problematic for artists, right? Exactly. About 82% of hands generated in batch jobs come out deformed if you don't guide the AI properly. Using negative prompts can significantly improve your output clarity. So you mean you can tell the AI what not to do? Yes. Specify things to avoid, like mutated hands or extra fingers. Surprisingly, 82.6% of top-rated Niji images use negative prompts. They really are like cheat codes for better art. That's such a great tip. So what's our final mistake? The final mistake is not setting a reliable process for your workflows. Start with simple, short prompts, lock in your seed number, and then tweak settings from there. So essentially, build from a solid foundation. Exactly. If you do it right, you'll be wasting less time and money on GPU time while getting better images. This has been super informative. So, what are the key takeaways for our listeners? Just remember, focus on seed consistency, avoid overloaded prompts, get your aspect ratios and stylized settings right, and don't skip negative prompts. That's a solid game plan. Thanks for sharing all this valuable info, Alex. Of course, I hope everyone feels more equipped to improve their AI image generation skills. That's a wrap for this episode of the Banana Thumbnail Podcast. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you in the next one.